everyone. Welcome back to Speak Easy English. Today we will talk about eating at a restaurant, how to ask for a menu, order food, handle special requests, and ask for the bill.
Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. I am excited. Eating out is fun, but it can be a little stressful when you are learning a new language.
Yes, I know that feeling. And today we will practice simple, polite phrases so you feel confident. If you enjoy this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to Speak Easy English.
I already liked and subscribed. That really helps the channel.
Great. Let us begin with the very first moment, entering a restaurant. You can say, "Table for two, please." That tells the host how many people are with you.
I remember my first time in a busy restaurant. I said, "Table for two, please," and the host smiled and led us to a small table. I felt proud I could say it.
Nice memory, Jack. Let us practice that line slowly. Repeat after me. Table for two, please.
Table for two, please.
Very good. If someone asks if you have a reservation, reservation means you booked a table earlier by phone or online.
Reservation, now I understand. I once forget my reservation and had to wait.
If you do not have one, you can say, "No, I do not. Is there a table available?" Practice with me. "No, I do not. Is there a table available?"
No, I do not. Is there a table available?
Excellent. Once you sit down, the waiter or waitress may bring a menu, but if they do not, you can politely ask, "Can I see the menu, please?" Practice, "Can I see the menu, please?"
Can I see the menu, please?
Menu means the list of food and drinks the restaurant serves. If you don't know a word on the menu, you can ask, "What is this?" or "What is in this dish?" That helps you understand the ingredients.
I learned that after I ordered something with mushrooms and I did not like them. I learned to ask first.
It happens to many of us. A very useful phrase is, "What do you recommend?" Try it with me. What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
When the waiter says the special of the day, special means a dish they suggest for that day. If you are unsure, you can ask, "Is it spicy or is it mild?" Spicy means it has hot flavors. Mild means not hot.
I like spicy food, but sometimes I forget to ask if it is very spicy. One time, it was too spicy and I drank a lot of water.
Yes, asking first is smart. Now, a short practice set for ordering and requests. Repeat each line after me slowly with a short pause. I am ready to order.
I am ready to order.
I would like the grilled chicken, please.
I would like the grilled chicken, please.
Can I have a side salad, please?
Can I have a side salad, please?
Those are great. Use "I would like" or "Can I have?" Both are polite. If you have a food allergy, you can say, "I am allergic to nuts," or "I have a food allergy to shellfish." Allergy means your body reacts badly to some food.
Very important. I remember a friend who is allergic to peanuts, and they always ask before eating. That keeps them safe.
Good example. If you need a dish without a certain ingredient, you can say, "No onions, please," or "Without cheese, please." Use "without" to remove something from the dish.
Without cheese, please. I like that line. It is simple.
Now some useful phrases for drinks and small items. When the waiter asks, "Would you like something to drink?" you can answer, "Just water, please," or "I would like an iced tea, please."
I often say, "Just water, please," because it is simple and free in many places.
If you want a quick suggestion, you can ask, "What is the most popular dish here?" That helps you choose easily.
Once I asked that, and the waiter suggested a fish dish. It was very good, and I tried something new.
That is the spirit. Now let us practice polite phrases for asking about the menu items. Repeat with me. What is this dish?
What is this dish?
What is in this dish?
What is in this dish?
Now, some practical phrases for specials or sides. If you want extra sauce, you can say, "Can I have extra sauce, please?" If you want vegetables on the side, say, "Can I have vegetables on the side, please?"
Vegetables on the side. I used that when my child did not like mixed vegetables.
That is a helpful trick for families. Now, a cultural tip. In some countries, you order and then the food is served quickly. In others, you may wait longer. It is okay to ask, "How long will the food take?" Practice, "How long will the food take?"
How long will the food take?
Good. If the kitchen is very busy and you are in a hurry, you can say, "I am in a hurry. May I please have the meal faster?"
I had to say that once before a show. They helped me and I made it on time.
Next, we will practice asking about portion size and sharing. You can ask, "Is this dish large or small?" Or, "Is this enough for 2 people?" Practice, "Is this dish large or small?"
Is this dish large or small?
"Is this enough for 2 people?"
Is this enough for 2 people?
Great! Now let us cover paying and the bill. When you're ready, you can say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Or, "Can I have the check, please?" In the United States, people say check. In other places, they say bill.
I remember the first time I heard check, I thought about a bank check. English can be confusing sometimes.
Yes, it can. Practice these lines. "Can I have the bill, please?" "Can I have the check, please?"
Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the check, please?
If you want to pay with a card, you can ask, "Do you accept credit cards?" Or, "Can I pay by card?" If you pay cash, you can say, "Can I pay cash?"
Do you accept credit cards? I ask that before I sit down sometimes.
Another common practice in some countries is tipping. Tip means extra money you give to show appreciation for good service. You can say, "Is service included in the bill?" Or, "Is service included?" That asks if the price already has a tip.
In my country, we do not tip, so I learned to ask. It saved me confusion.
That is one practice set now, for the end of the meal. Repeat after me. "Can I have the bill, please?" "Do you accept credit cards?" "Is service included?"
Can I have the bill, please? Do you accept credit cards? Is service included?
Very good. Now, we will do some role practice for special requests. If you have a dietary need, say, "I am vegetarian," or "I do not eat meat." Vegetarian means you do not eat meat.
I tried being vegetarian for a month, and it was a challenge, but I learned many new dishes.
Nice experience, Jack. If you want a dish to be spicy or not spicy, you can say, "Mild, please," or "Not spicy, please."
Not spicy, please. I say that when I'm unsure about the heat in the food.
Another helpful phrase is, "Can I get this to go?" Or, "Can I have a box, please?" when you want to take leftovers home. To go means to take away.
I always ask for a box when I know I cannot finish the meal. I hate to waste food.
Me too. Practice lines for special requests now. "No onions, please." "Not spicy, please." "Can I have a box, please?"
No onions, please. Not spicy, please. Can I have a box, please?
Great. Now, a short story about a mistake. Once, the waiter brought the wrong dish to my table. I politely said, "Excuse me, I ordered the salmon, but this is the chicken." The waiter apologized and fixed it quickly.
I had a similar moment. I got a dish with peanuts, and I did not tell the waiter about my allergy. I learned to always say, "I am allergic to peanuts, please."
That is very important. Always tell staff about allergies. Say, "I am allergic to peanuts," or "I have a food allergy. Please note it."
I will never forget that lesson. Now, a safety tip for health. If you feel sick after eating, say, "I feel unwell," or "I feel sick," and ask to see a doctor or call for help if necessary.
Good point. Now, a short practice set for those moments. "Excuse me, I ordered the salmon. This is chicken. I am allergic to peanuts. I feel unwell."
Excuse me? I ordered the salmon. This is chicken. I am allergic to peanuts. I feel unwell.
Thank you. Now let us cover asking for separate checks. If you are with friends and want separate payments, say, Can we split the bill or can we have separate checks? Practice. Can we split the bill?
Can we split the bill? That saved many awkward moments.
It is common to say, can we split the bill evenly or can we each pay our own? Practice. Can we each pay our own?
Can we each pay our own? That works well.
Now, a small vocabulary note. Appetizer means a small dish served before the main meal, and dessert means the sweet food after the meal. These words help you order in steps.
I love appetizers because I can try many small tastes. I once ordered 3 appetizers and shared them with friends.
Sharing small plates is a great idea. Now, we will do a longer practice review with many lines that you can repeat out loud. I will say a line and pause. Repeat after me. Table for 2, please.
Table for 2, please.
Can I see the menu, please?
Can I see the menu, please?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
I am ready to order.
I am ready to order.
I would like the grilled salmon, please.
I would like the grilled salmon, please.
No onions, please.
No onions, please.
Can I have a box, please?
Can I have a box, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Excellent practice. Now, a mid-episode reminder. If you are enjoying this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to Speak Easy English. It really helps us keep making lessons you can use.
I already liked and shared it with friends who are learning English.
Thanks, Jack. Now, let us add some friendly phrases you can use with the waiter, like, "Excuse me, can I ask a question?" or "Thank you for your help." These small phrases show respect.
I remember one waiter who remembered my name after the second visit. That made me feel welcome.
That is the effect of kind service. Now, a short set for children and families. If you order for a child, you can say, "Can I have the kids menu, please?" or "Do you have a children menu?" Kids menu means smaller dishes for children.
My niece loves the kids menu because it has chicken fingers and small fries.
Now let us practice a few polite closings. Repeat after me. Thank you very much for your help.
Thank you very much for your help.
I really appreciate it.
I really appreciate it.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Nice work. Before we close, a quick cultural note about tipping again. You can say, "Keep the change," if you want the waiter to keep the small coins. Or you can say, "Keep the tip," if service was great.
I once left a small note with the tip, and the waiter smiled and said thank you.
Now a final short practice block for conversation starters. Repeat after us. This looks great.
This looks great.
What is this dish?
What is this dish?
I will wait near the entrance after dinner.
I will wait near the entrance after dinner.
Wonderful. Now a closing reminder. If this episode helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Speak Easy English, share with a friend, and leave a comment about your favorite restaurant meal.
I will check the comments, and I will reply when I can. I love hearing your stories.
One last question for our listeners. What is eating at a restaurant like where you live? Tell us in the comments. We love to read your answers.
Thank you everyone for joining us and practicing with us today.
Bye for now, and enjoy your next meal out with confidence.
Goodbye everyone, and have a tasty day.